How to fix a paper or carriage jam in the HP SmartTank 500 and 600 printer series. Fix an HP SmartTank 500 or 600 series printer when the printer stops printing and the paper or carriage jams. Touch OK or press the cancel button to attempt to clear the jam automatically. Remove all paper and obstructions from the input and output tray. Use a flashlight if necessary. Close the input tray and then close the output tray. With the printer still on, disconnect the power cord. You must disconnect the printer power cord to avoid injury or damaging the printer. Open the front and printhead access doors. If you see a red indicator on the carriage, the printhead latch is up. Push the latch down and then try to resume printing. If the printhead latch is down, slide the carriage all the way to one side and then to the other. Remove any obstructions in the carriage path or against the far walls. Close the doors. Slide the printer to the edge of a flat surface to access the bottom. Push the two tabs on the cleanout door to open it, and then remove any obstructions in the paper feed path. Push the cleanout door forward to snap each tab into place, and then slide it back into position. Reconnect the power cord to the printer, and the printer turns on automatically. Lift the input tray into position. Fan a stack of paper, and then tap it on a flat surface to align the corners. Load the stack into the input tray, and then adjust the guides so they rest on the edge of the stack. Print a document. If the issue continues, service the printer. Contact HP for service and warranty options.